Hi folks, this is Stephen here from Share Navigator, and I'm just going to show you how we're going to place our bear put spread on the MES futures. So we click on trade, we click on option chains, and we're going to type in MES here. And you're going to see a number of ones that show up, but it's the micro E-mini S&P stock price index. That's the one we're looking for here. So again, just to remind you before we put this trade on, this is extremely low probability. We're unlikely to win on this. It's one of those where we're basically risking a very, very small amount to make a lot. But we're more than likely going to lose here, okay? So there's two legs to this trade. The first leg is we're going to buy the 6,800 put. So we click on the ask price. And the second leg of the trade is we're going to sell the 6,700 put. So we're long on one put and we're short on the other one. We want the market to go down. And you can see our profit probability, it's only 5%. It's a tiny percentage. But look, per contract, all we can lose here is $36. That's the maximum amount. Now for a 10K account, we just do 2 contracts for this. We're not expecting to win, but how we're actually going to manage this, just to remind you, we're not going to try and wait for this. We don't even need this to get to 6,800. What we're hoping for, maybe over the next 2 or 3 days, the market pulls back from its recent highs. The value of this 6,800 put should go up. And we'll close out this side of the trade and let this side run. And then if that side, the remaining short leg actually got under pressure, we'd roll it out and down. So that's how we manage the trade. So we click on order up here in the top right. This is a 10K account, which we're doing for demonstration purposes. So this is where we change the quantity to 2. These trade 24/5, okay? So that's why we're using MES, okay? And we click on the market price here and just click on buy, and that's it. That's it. Your order is done then. And that will just be processed. You can see it's being filled. Show you what it looks like in our positions here. And you're going to see it load there. That's as simple as that. So we got a bear put spread, a position of 2. We break down the trade. We're long on the 6,800 and we're short on the 6,700. It's as simple as that. Okay, if you have any questions at all, please reach out to me on WhatsApp. Thanks and bye for now.